Welcome back to Tech Nuggets. In this video, we will see what is new in Angular version 15. By the way, if you are new to this channel or not a subscriber yet, please scroll down and hit the subscribe button now. Okay. 2 weeks ago, I had published the install video on Angular v14. Few days after that, Angular version 15, that's a v15 released, surprisingly. So in this video, I will cover what's new in Angular version 15, what are the breaking changes, and what are the deprecations. Once again, the previous install video on v14 still holds good in terms of dependency, that's a node version 18. Okay, let's dive into this video. Okay, let's go to Angular official website, that is angular.io guide update to version 15. Okay, now what are the new features in Angular v15? One is a stable standalone component. You can go through in detail, however I'm just giving in high level. And you have a ng optimized image directive. That's this module helps you to reduce the download time of image in your Angular application. And also you have directives that can be added to host elements, plus helpful stack traces, plus stable MDC based components. Okay, so we'll see some of the breaking changes in Angular v15. Okay, Angular v15 supports Node.js version 14, 16 and 18.10.x. okay, and also you can see Angular v15 no longer supports Node.js version 14, that is 15 to 19 or 16.10. This version, please make a note, this particular Node.js version will not work with Angular v15. okay, and the TypeScript version is 4.8 or later. And also there is a keyframe format changes. Okay, so for example v14 was keyframe at foo, and you are going to add prefix with component scope. For example, if I host my CMP, then you have to prefix with that with your component name. Okay, and there are other breaking changes listed here. You can go in details. Okay, this is at the high level. Okay, so what are the deprecations in Angular v15? Some of the notable deprecations, you can see this again, the same URL, and you can see date underscore pipe default time zone is replaced with date pipe default options. Okay, and also injector.get with the inject flags replaced with the injector.get with the inject options object, and also testbed inject with the inject flags replaced with inject options. Okay, and also you have few more. You can go in details in this official website. Thank you.